So now we will talk about BNB. The current price of BNB is $376.39 as it is 0.88% down in last 24 hours. If I talk about trading volume is down with 31.16%. If I talk about market dominance of BNB, you can check here the market dominance of BNB is 3.73%. And if I talk about market rank of BNB, so the market rank of BNB is 4. So if you want, you can invest in BNB also, because BNB is a good cryptocurrency and one of the trending cryptocurrency in CoinMarketCap because it comes in top 10. Now I will tell you from which platform you can buy BNB. So let's go on there. So some platform are there from where you can buy BNB, like Binance, Get.io, Binance FTX. But basically if you will see now, then mostly you will find a platform like Binance only to get BNB. Also one more thing, if you want to invest in any cryptocurrency, then it's depend upon you. I am not a financial advisor. I can just show you that from which platform you can buy which crypto. Also one more thing, that please subscribe my channel. So these are some platform from where you can buy BNB. If you want to buy BNB from Binance, then you need USDT, or you need BTC, or you need BUSD. Here you will get several options to buy BNB from Binance. And one of my favorite cryptocurrency platform is Binance only. FTX KuCoin is also there to buy BNB, and Huobi Global is also there. You can try Huobi Global, FTX KuCoin also. Thanks for watching my video on BNB cryptocurrency.